With this process now complete, the table is allowed to cool down, enabling all surfaces to adhere together. The vacuum is then turned off and the painting is retrieved from the polyester envelope. This fully reversible process makes sure that the original paint is secured to the original canvas, which is subsequently secured to the new lining canvas. Doing so also consolidates all of the damages at the same time. Now it's time to clean this painting up. To begin, tape is stuck around the edges of the painting to protect the lining canvas from the cleaning process, while a swab of cotton wool with white spirit is used to remove any surplus wax mix from the surface of the painting. The paint surface is now secure, stable, and ready for cleaning. An appropriate strength spirit soap is used to remove the airborne pollutants, such as nicotine and tar from cigarette smoke. A suitable strength solvent was used to remove the different layers of discolored varnishes. Another solvent mix was formulated to remove old, discolored retouchings. With the painting now dry, all areas of paint loss and damages are filled with a water-based filler, bringing these areas up to the surface of the surrounding original paint. The filling is then sealed off.